Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Dr. Razali. So before I begin, let me introduce myself. I am Nafika binti Azlan, and for today I will explain about dietary protein for health and exercise. So for the overview, first is introduction dietary protein for health and exercise. Second is the importance of protein for health. Third is protein consumption for exercise. So for the introduction of protein, which mean the primary components of our muscles, bones, skins, tissue and organ are protein and amino acid, which are the building blocks of protein. Second is during digestion, our body breaks down the protein we eat into individual amino acids, which are subsequently used to build new proteins throughout the body. Third is consuming enough protein is crucial because without it, the body will have to break down muscle to get the amino acids it needs to operate. Fourth is our body needs protein to function properly and to build and repair cells. There are many different foods that contain protein, so it is critical that you get enough of it each day. Our body requires different amounts of protein based on factors like age, gender, weight, and overall health. So eating a range of food will help our effortlessly meet our protein demands. Food sources of protein include both plants and animals, including fish and shellfish, dairy items, legumes such as beans and lentils, seeds, and nuts. Second is the importance of protein for health. First is growth and maintenance. Protein is necessary for tissue growth and maintenance in our body. However, the proteins in our body are constantly changing. Our body normally requires the same amount of protein for tissue growth and repair as it does for breakdown. On other occasions, it degrades more protein than it can produce, which raises the amount of our body requires. This usually occurs during pregnancy, during times of illness, and during nursing. Besides, the athletes, older folks, and those recuperating from surgery or injuries need more protein as well. Second is cause biochemical reaction. Protein called enzymes help thousands of biological processes that occur both within the outside of our cells. Enzyme structure makeup enables them to interact with substrates, other molecules found inside cells to catalyze vital metabolic reactions. Other than within cells, enzymes can also perform other roles. For example, digest enzymes like lactates and secrets aid in the breakdown of sugar. Certain substances, including vitamins or minerals, are necessary for certain enzymes in order for a reaction to occur. Enzymes are necessary for the following bodily processes, such as breakdown. Second is generation of energy, and third is clotting of the blood, construction of muscle. Disease may arise from this enzyme deficiency or dysfunction. Second is acts as a messenger. So hormones are chemical messengers that let our cell, tissue, and organ communicate with one another. Some proteins are hormones, endocrine tissues or glands produce and secrete them, which are subsequently carried by blood to target tissues or organs where they attach the cell surface protein receptors. There are three primary categories can be used to classify hormones. First is amino acid chains, which can number from a few to several hundred, are the building blocks of proteins and peptides. Second is a steroid. Steroid they are derived from cholesterol content G fat. Steroids are the base for the sex hormones, estrogen and testosterone. Amines they are derived from the individual amino acid tyrosine or tryptophan, which aid in the synthesis of hormones involved in metabolism and sleep. Third is protein consumption for exercise. First is feel full longer. Since protein has a very high satiety index, it will feel satisfied after only a modest portion of a meal high in protein. It is because consuming foods high in protein is known to reduce level of the hunger hormone ghrelin. Protein can elevate the status of the satiety hormone leptin at the same time. Moreover, protein is regarded as a nutrient that digests slowly. Thus, eating food strong in protein will keep our feeling full for considerable amount of time. Because it keeps our fuller for longer, protein is a great source of energy for activity. What caused this to be the case? It because it gives the body that energy needs to carry out daily tasks and exercise. Second is muscle mass restore and growth. Consuming protein has been demonstrated to aid in muscle growth. The body can burn fat and lose fat when this protein diet is coupled with exercise. Okay, how does it operate? It causes a micro tears in our body's muscles when the workout of participate in intensive physical activity. When it engage in intensive physical exercise, particularly muscle training, it is common. The protein in our diet will then aid in the body ability to mend this tiny break. Protein contributes to the growth and development of muscle mass and strength in addition to aiding in the repair of damaged muscle tissue. That is can be boost metabolism. In addition to the benefits of protein for the body in terms of developing and restoring muscle mass, this can also aid in boosting the body's metabolism. The reason for this is that eating protein can both prevent and build muscle mass. Our metabolism may be aided by muscle mass. Eating food strong in protein will therefore be quite advantageous. We need to eat food high in protein and perform resistancy training in order to maintain muscle mass. Exercise that specially increase bodily strength and endurance are called resistancy training. Over time, raising our body's metabolism can help to lose weight and stay at our target weight. Okay, for the conclusion, incorporating adequate protein into our diet is essential for both overall health and optimal exercise performance. Whether through animal or plant sources, ensuring a consistent and balanced protein intake supports muscle function, enhances recovery, and contributes to long-term well-being. Tailoring protein consumption to individual needs and exercise routines can maximize health benefits and athletes' outcomes, making it a cornerstone of a healthy diet and active lifestyle. That's all for me. Thank you.